Alright guys, so here it's about, ooh, they drive so crazy. About 9 o'clock. I got super bored and hungry, but didn't want nothing at the hotel, so took a walk to the store, which is called Migros Jet. I guess it's like their 7-Eleven. Don't laugh at my face, it's still full, y'all. We are on day 10. It's not really a big selection, but I don't know. Not a lot to choose from. I did have some noodles the other day, my little late night snack. This looks like I don't know, Spam or something. I don't know what that is. Maybe some tuna or chicken. I think protein, so I don't know. I gotta use Google, guys. See if I can figure out what this is.
Oh my God.
I don't know what this is. Okay guys, so that wasn't long at all. But what I did manage to get was something to kind of hold me over. I got, I don't even drink soda, but that juice is like too rich for my mouth. So I had to get a soda because it's kind of real sweet. And I got some chips, which I know I shouldn't be eating, but the salt makes my nauseousness go away sometimes. Like from the medicine, I get nauseous. I got some lemon cookies. What else I got? Oh, canned tuna fish. This is a survivor's meal, y'all. I don't know about y'all, but if you been down and out, you know how to survive on necessity. I got some yogurt too, because also since I've been here, I have been constipated, y'all. But again, I know it's just a change of diet and the medicine. Medicine, like, it binds you up. So I got some yogurt, some Activia, and I think that's pretty much it. I didn't get a whole lot. Because one thing I can say, they feed you really good at this hotel. I'm gonna show y'all in the morning. It's like a whole spread. It's like a whole spread. You know, some of it I don't know what it is, but from what I tasted, a lot of it it's good. Worst case, they always got cereal. And this place I'm gonna come to too. It's like a restaurant, little outside area. Cute. I just figured I'll come. Yeah, the baklava. So I gotta try. Even though I'm really not a pastry person, but I'm gonna try it. So I'm gonna go back in. They didn't have nothing I could eat, so I'm getting me some food from the actual hotel and some beer, and then get some more work done. And call it a night. get my key. Hold this up. Uh-oh. Hold on. You said it worked. There it is. There it is. Okay. Whew. So guys, there's my little nightcap. I forgot about the pool, y'all. We got a pool, like a sauna. I don't really want to mess my hair up since I just straightened it earlier. Trying to look like something, y'all. Your girl face looks so fat. It's ridiculous. But I got a little ponytail going, so I don't want to get it wet. I might just go down there and just I don't know. Just to kill some time. Yeah, my baby not here. I don't know what to do with myself. It's crazy. But I guess this is like the beginning of. I know he can't do everything with me because he normally does. Learning how to do things by myself. I'm super nervous, especially after this morning's alarm, y'all. Oh, that was scary. That was really scary. But back home, and see what. Oh Lord. Can you give me? So this, one thing I like about this, y'all, you gotta put the card in there for the hotel to work. Like if the card isn't in there, nothing's going to come on. Let me show you. I thought that was cool. Like they should make houses like that. Like if you don't put your key card in there, wow, they got dark fast. Everything shuts off. In order for anything to work, you gotta have a card. Oh, that was pretty cool. So welcome to my humble abode. I'm trying to get the lights on. This is where I'll be finishing my stay. I may go out on the patio. I do like the view though, y'all. The view is pretty cool. Waking up, you know, seeing the sunrise and all that stuff. And I'll sit out here on the patio. Not too much because I normally like a view. This patio kind of like, I don't know. But this is it. So I don't know. I might eat my I'm gonna order something from downstairs. Their salad is so good, so good. So I might get me another salad. That didn't hurt too much. I'm tired of soup. I swear to God, y'all. I used to be in my late 20s, in my early 30s. I was a little thick. I was a fat girl. And this face reminded me of that time period. I swear to God. But I must say, it's going down a whole lot. Even my lip. Like, I was so nervous, y'all. My lip was so big. I was like, you gotta be shitting me. But this side is swollen. Like, everything from here on down is swollen. Like, I normally have cheekbones like that you can see, like natural cheekbones. You can't even see them. They behind all of the swellness. But she's still cute though. I think she's a little chunky with it. That's all. So that's it, y'all. I'm continuously tell you guys about this entire journey. A lot of people I know, some people said they can't see how I did it. For one, I'm not ashamed of anything. Like, I'm not ashamed of anything. I'm naturally content with who I am, how I am. So yeah, I can get on camera in front of millions of people with no teeth in my mouth, because it's a part of my process. But they better look good Thursday. I swear to God, if they don't look good, y'all, just stay tuned for that video. Good night, guys.